How's it going, everybody? It is May 19th. I'm going to do a quick video. I'm going to throw in the sales update for you guys, but what I wanted to talk about was one of my shirts has actually finally uh, received the Amazon's Choice tag back. So it actually, I had it for a very long time, and then I would say for the last maybe, I don't know, maybe 4 months, it was taken down, and I noticed it on a different product, and I noticed my sales had dropped, but now it's finally back, and so I wanted to kind of put this video out and then track the performance of that product, because I've talked to a couple of people who said that when they get an Amazon's Choice tag on their product, it makes no difference to them. They actually don't see any change in sales, but I do. So let's talk about that. Let's quickly go over the sales numbers, and then I'll get into that. I'll show you guys some of the product information, but of course I've blacked out a lot of things. So right now, this month so far, uh, if you guys have seen any of the previous videos, is going very well, especially compared to a bunch of other uh, months, especially since I would say since November of 2021. Right now, I'm sitting at 159 sales in the U.S. That's $2,902.31 in sales, and $496 in royalties. So $500 in royalties, and I'm recording this first thing in the morning on the 19th. So we still have at least 10, 11 days to go, and that's looking pretty good. The other thing that I wanted to show you guys was how this month so far compares to the monthly totals, at least for the last couple of months. I'll just let this load for a little bit, and as you can see here, sitting 18 days into the month, and it looks like it's already beating at least one month this year, and I think by the end of the day, or let's say even by the end of tomorrow, it will beat out most of the months of this year, which again is great. There's finally some momentum, and it's actually sticking around for the entire month. Uh, my total sales so far 226. So that again is to me amazing, and Japan is coming in pretty strong. Germany and Italy are staying strong, and then I have a few random sales in the rest of the markets, but the U.S. Sales are looking great, and that's where the majority of my money is coming in. But again, this will definitely add up, and I'm expecting over $1,000 in royalties this month. Now let's get to the fun stuff, and here it is. So I've blacked out most of the like the important information. Sorry about that, but I still wanted to show you guys kind of uh, I guess the important stuff, like this stuff. It is an animal design of the shirt, but it's not the way that I'm promoting it. It's not for, like, I don't know, animal lovers or anything like that. It's just it has that animal design that's meant for something else. But the way that the Amazon's Choice tag here is, I guess the term that they put together is the type of animal, and then T-shirts for men, which is actually I'm happy with this because it's a little different than the previous tag that they had assigned to this shirt, and I think this might get me a little more traffic. But again, we'll see. There's an argument. People are saying these tags are useless. I personally disagree, but we'll see. That's why I wanted to put this video out, like I said, to see if there is any change in sales, starting today or yesterday or whenever they put this tag up. I noticed that yesterday. My price point is $18.99. Most of my t-shirts are $19.99, but this one is $18.99, and that's about it. So 52 ratings, and besides, this is off, like, it's a screenshot that I'm showing you guys, uh, but besides, actually, I think 3 or 4 written reviews where people are actually leaving good feedback. All of these reviews are just ratings. So there's no, for example, nobody's left a picture of the product or anything like that, and So this is kind of the whole listing minus of course the design and the uh, description. That's it. Let me see. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys one last thing because this is the product right here. So there's one product, no tag or anything, that top units sold in the last 30 days. So this is just organic sales. These ones are of course are as organic as well, but now it has that tag, and that's kind of why I'm doing this, because I'm trying to figure out if this will explode and if it will actually become the best seller. If it will make any difference, maybe it won't. We'll see. So anyways, that's it. I just wanted to give you guys that update. Thank you for watching as always. I'll talk to you soon.